World today is evolving fast. From simple grocery items to extravagant lifestyle products, everything is evolving. Evolution of shopping. From crowded bazaars to user-friendly shopping apps, evolution of romance. From love letters in 1950s to high-end dating apps, evolution of traveling. From fights for auto rickshaws to one-touch cab apps, everything is evolving. So why stand in queue to pay your fee? I, Sharja Shukla, introduce you to eFee. Fee payment made easy. Now pay your fee anytime, anywhere. Log on to efee.in. This is the home page. You will see 4 options here: search, eFee ID, enrollment, and download receipt. Let's go with the search option. Select the state. Here it is, Madhya Pradesh. Select the city, Indore. Select the town or area. Select institute category, college. Select the institute, for example, PSI Institute of Management. Select class, first year BBA. Enter your roll number and click on search. You will be redirected to the invoice. In invoice, you will be having the details like name of the student, eFee ID, class, roll number, the date. You will be having here optionals and non-optionals. You can check or uncheck the optionals. And here is the option for payment. You can see multiple payment options like net banking, credit card, debit card, etc. For example, here we choose net banking and click on make payments. Once the payment is made successfully, you will be redirected to receipt. The receipt will again contain the information such as name of the student, class, roll number, date, eFee ID and transactional ID. This transactional ID is a unique one. You can click on print to get the printout of the receipt. You will also receive the receipt via email. Every student registered with us has got a unique ID, that is the eFee ID. If you don't have the eFee ID, you have to use the search option. But for now, since we have got our eFee ID, let's click on eFee ID and enter your eFee ID here, say 24, and click on search button. If your fee is already paid, this window will appear. Let's try with another ID. For example, 14, and click on search. You'll be redirected to invoice page, which will contain the information such as name of student, class, roll number, date, unique eFee ID, the optional and non-optionals. You can check them individually or all. You can select the payment method and click to make payment. The students who want to apply can click on enrollment option. The students who have got their enrollment ID from their institute can enter the enrollment ID and click on search. Else, they follow the following step. Select the state. For example, Madhya Pradesh. Select the city, Indore. Select town or area. Select institute category, college. Select the institute, for example, PSI Institute of Management. select the program, MBA Marketing Application, and click on Search button. You will see student registration. You have to fill in the basic details like student name, for example Mahesh Gore, student's email ID, mobile number, date of birth. Select the category, that is general, OBC, sports quota, etc. Fill in the parent detail, that is the name, their email ID, contact number, reference number which will be provided by the institute, address. Then you have to upload the attachments. For the same, choose File, select and open. Same for the other attachment. Select, open. Select and open. Once you have uploaded all the attachments, click on Save and Next page. You will be redirected to invoice, which will be having your name, date, the program you enrolled for. Here it is MBA Marketing Application and the other details. Again you have to select the payment mode. So here we choose Net Banking and click on Make Payment. After the payment is successfully done, you will be getting the receipt. Having the transactional ID which is unique, and you can click the print option to get the printout. What if you have missed the mail or misplaced the receipt you received? Well, no worries. You can use the option Download Receipt. So, for that, click on Download Receipt and you have to type the receipt ID or the transaction ID which was unique and given to you. Type the ID and click on Search. And here we go. We get the receipt with all the details